This Tagalog lesson is about the prefix pa, which when attached to root words related to directions, positions, or states, can indicate orientation, movement, manner, or direction. These words usually describe how something is positioned or arranged. The pattern is simple. Prefix pa plus root word creates a new word which is usually a Tagalog adverb of manner. Prefix pa plus root word. Patayo. Patayo. Vertical or upright. Pahalang. Pahalang. Horizontal. Pahilis. Pahilis. Diagonally. Pataas. Pataas. Upward. Pababa. Pababa. Downward. Paakyat. Paakyat. Ascending or going up. Pasulong. Pasulong. Forward. Paatras. Paatras. Backward. Pabalik. Pabalik. Returning or going back. Palayo. Palayo. Moving away. Palapit. Palapit. Moving closer. Paikot. Paikot. In a circular manner. Paliko. Paliko. In a turning or curved way. Pakanan. Pakanan. To the right. Pakaliwa. Pakaliwa. To the left. Paloob. Paloob. Inward. Palabas. Palabas. Outward. Paharap. Paharap. Facing forward. Patalikod. Patalikod. Facing backward. Patagilid. Patagilid. Sideways or tilting sideways. Patihaya. Patihaya. Lying on one's back. Padapa. Padapa. Lying face down. pataob, pataob. Turned over or face down. Patingala, patingala. Looking up or facing upward. Payuko, payuko. Bending forward or bowing down. Pahiga, pahiga. Lying down. Paupo, paupo. In a sitting manner. Pasandal, pasandal. In a leaning manner. Patingkayad, patingkayad. Standing on tiptoes. Pabulong, pabulong. In a whispering manner. Pasigaw, pasigaw. In a loud or yelling manner. Pautal, pautal. In a stuttering manner. Padabog, padabog. Moving in a rough, stomping or forceful manner. Pabagal, pabagal. Moving slowly or getting slower. Pabilis, pabilis. Moving quickly or getting faster. Pabulusok, pabulusok. Moving downward rapidly or plunging. Pabagsak, pabagsak. In a falling manner. Pabilog, pabilog. Round or has a circular shape. Pahaba, pahaba. Elongated. Pakwadrado, pakwadrado. Square-shaped. Patusok, patusok. Pointed or in a piercing or stabbing manner.